That's guest parking, and there's the house that we closet space, kitchen windows right there. Turned off those lights, but I didn't turn off the others. Kitchen. Some floors. Okay, first room. We'll turn off the light so you can see. This is how it looks with the light off. Let me go this way against the and then with the light on. Closets, and then closets on this side, pretty deep in. Bathroom, tub, and next. And then there's closet space, girls, and some laundry. And this is the second bedroom. Okay, this is with the light off. And I'll come this way so you can see it. The light off. Closets again. Okay. And this is how it looks with the light off. It's still pretty bright. Okay.